The river Ganga confluences over here with the Bay of Bengal, and that is why it is called the Ganga Sagar. It is believed that a holy dip in this confluence washes away all the sins. Therefore, millions of devotees from across the country gather over here during Makar Sankranti.
The Ganga Sagar Mela is held at the confluence of the Ganges and the Bay of Bengal on Sagar Island in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal, India. This Ganga Sagar Mela finds its mention in the Puranas, and this is where mythology, faith and nature intertwine. References of it can be found in the Vana chapter of the epic Mahabharata, which dates back to approximately 1500 to 2000 BC.
Good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning now. Our journey has started. We have boarded one taxi to reach Shialda. We have Shialda Namkhana local at 5:20 in the morning. It takes 3 hours to reach Namkhana. We'll update you about the same as we proceed further. From the intro, you have already understood that we are going to Ganga Sagar. We have reached Sialda railway station and have booked our train tickets from UTS, and ticket fare is only 25 rupees per person. So, let's go. By Namkhana local, we have reached Kagri railway station. It took exactly 2.5 hours. Now we will go towards the Chennai.
এই ভেসাল গাছ কত করে? 30 টাকা কি? 30 টাকা এক এক দিন। থাকবে কালকে কমবে।
We came down from the railway station, we crossed the subway, and there are a lot of e-rickshaws which go to the Vessel Ghat. The fare is 20 rupees per person, but due to the Ganga Sagar Mela, it has been increased by 10 rupees, so it is 30 rupees per person. It took 15 minutes by e-rickshaw to reach the Vessel Ghat, and from here we will take the vessel to reach Kochuberia. After getting down from the e-rickshaw, we need to walk till the Vessel Ghat. We have already been walking for more than 5 minutes now. It will take 5 minutes more.
जाना ना
हाँ रिटर्न के लिए रखना पड़ता है।
কত দেব তাহলে আমি?
160 টাকা।
Ticket fare to Kochuberia is 40 rupees per person.
It is believed that at one time, the 5 Pandavas made their journey from the banks of the Kosi river to this confluence at Ganga Sagar. The famous Sanskrit epic poem Raghuvansa, composed by the poet Kalidasa, also mentions Ganga Sagar.
We stood in the queue for 1.5 hours, and finally we have got the marine vessel which will go to Kochuberia.
आप कहाँ से आया?
बेतिया।
आप कहाँ से?
बेतिया जिला।
बेतिया जिला बिहार का?
हाँ।
मोतिहारी जिला। मोतिहारी हाँ। आप नेपाल से? नेपाल का कहाँ से?
काठमांडू।
काठमांडू।
आप नेपाली हैं?
जी।
गंगा मैया धीरे चलो।
half an hour to come by ship till Kochuberia. But for some reason, maybe it is super crowded. Maybe for that reason, we are still waiting in the ship for the last 35 minutes. Haven't deboarded yet.
Today, Gangasagar Mela is not only a religious event but also a social and cultural gathering. People from different parts of India come to the fair, which is a melting pot of local culture and ancient tradition.
From Kochuberia bus stand, we have already come to Gangasagar by bus, and the bus fare was only 35 rupees per person. It took around 45 minutes. From here, we'll have to walk for 5 minutes to reach Kapil Muni Ashram.
It's good that they have not increased the bus fare.
Yeah, this
Otherwise,
is the normal bus fare. Yeah,
the
This
vessel fare they have
is
increased
only
thrice almost.
yes, the vessel fare is actually 10 rupees, but we paid 40 rupees per person for that.
Due to the
4
fare,
times.
they have increased the fare.
Yeah. From palm trees, the juice is extracted. It is then boiled and then hardened to make jaggery. This is the process. In every Hindu pilgrimage site, we get to see that free prasad is distributed, and we got khichdi prasad over here in Gangasagar Mela.
Around 15,000 temporary toilets have been constructed at various points in the fair, and large tents had been set up by the government to provide shelter for pilgrims.
Along the way to the Kapil Muni temple, we can see temporary shelters have been made for stay of the devotees.
There are very few options of accommodation in Sagar Island, which includes few ashrams like the Bharat Shevashram, where only spot booking is taken, or the government youth hostel, where family room or dormitories can be booked well in advance from their website.
Gangasagar Mela is held every year in the month of January during Makar Sankranti. This is one of the biggest congregation of humans in India. It is said, Har Tirath Bar Bar, Gangasagar Ek Bar, means every other pilgrimage can be done every year, but Gangasagar only once. Today, after coming over here, I know why it is said so, because it is located in a very remote location. I started the journey today morning at 4:30 and I have reached finally in Kapil Muni Ashram at 12:30. So after traveling for 8 hours, I have reached over here, and this has to be remembered that now the transport system like bus service and ship is quite frequent, and due to the Mela, it is maintained very nicely. And in ancient times, the pilgrims used to come here purely by walking, so it used to be so difficult for them to reach this place.
Some believe that during the British era, Warren Hastings planted the first seeds of development in this region. However, if we look back into the medieval history, we learn that during the Makar Sankranti festival, pilgrims from various parts of the Indian subcontinent faced many challenges on their perilous journey to Gangasagar. Some would fall sick from cholera or smallpox, which led to the saying, Sab Tirath Bar Bar, Gangasagar Ek Bar. In Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's famous novel Kapal Kundala, a tragic journey like this is described. There has been a proposal to declare the Gangasagar Mela as a national fair by the government of West Bengal.
Sage Kapil is believed to have meditated over here. The Kapil Muni Ashram is the focal point for the pilgrims who believe that a visit in this temple completes their spiritual journey.
সিঁদুর কামলি সিঁদুর
মোবাইলে সার্চ করো দেখাবে
My experience at Ganga Sagar Mela was nothing short of transformative. It is a reminder of India's deep-rooted spirituality and the incredible diversity of its people. Whether you are religious or simply curious about the cultural significance of the Mela, the journey is an unforgettable one. It is a place where stories of mythology come to life and where the timeless river Ganga meets the endless sea, carrying with it centuries of belief, tradition, and hope.
বছর 14 বছর 10 বছর 8 বছর যে পড়বে তার হবে 150 টাকা যেটা নেবে 150 টাকা
The Ganga Sagar Mela is not only a part of Indian culture but also a place where pilgrims from different regions come and various goods are traded. The fair contributes significantly to the economic development of this region.